What if you could start a profitable business with little money, no special degree, and full control over your schedule? Well, that's exactly what a home cleaning and organizing service can offer. In this video, I will show you, step by step, how to start this business in the USA, Canada, Australia, and the UK, even if you are a complete beginner. Today, we are exploring one of the fastest growing service businesses in 2025, home cleaning and organizing. I will show you how it works, how much it costs to start, and how much you can earn. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more global business ideas. A home cleaning and organizing service helps families, professionals, and property owners keep their homes clean, fresh, and well organized. Your services can include regular cleaning, deep cleaning, move-in or move-out cleaning, and decluttering and organizing for kitchens, wardrobes, and offices. It's flexible, it's scalable, and people are willing to pay well for quality service. This business is growing fast, and here is why. People are busier than ever. Dual income households are common in the USA, UK, and Canada. Airbnb and rental properties in Australia and the UK need frequent cleaning, and many elderly people and professionals prefer outsourcing housework. That means steady clients, repeat income, and a market that continues to grow every year. Choose your niche: home cleaning, deep cleaning, organizing, or Airbnb turnover cleaning. Register your business. USA, register an LLC. UK, register as a sole trader or limited company. Canada and Australia, apply for a small business license. Mop, vacuum, eco-friendly cleaners, gloves, and microfiber cloths. You can start with $500 to $1,000 or equivalent. USA, $30 to $60 per hour. Canada, $25 to $50 per hour. Australia, $35 to $70 per hour. UK, £20 to £40 per hour. Offer discounts for weekly or monthly repeat clients. Get reviews, background checks, and offer satisfaction guarantees. Begin with your neighborhood, friends, community listings, or Facebook groups. Word of mouth brings fast results. Startup cost, $500 to $1,000. A solo cleaner can earn $3,000 to $5,000 per month. A small team can earn $8,000 to $12,000 per month. Profit margins are 60 to 80% because the main cost is only labor and cleaning supplies. Once you build loyal clients, income becomes stable and predictable. To get clients fast, use Facebook Marketplace, Nextdoor, USA and Canada, Airtasker or Gumtree, Australia and UK, and Google Business Profile. Share before and after cleaning photos on Instagram. Post customer testimonials on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Flyers and door-to-door marketing also work extremely well in local neighborhoods. Use these apps to stay organized. Canva for flyers, Google Calendar for bookings, Square, PayPal, or Stripe for payments, Yelp or Trustpilot for reviews, Trello or Notion to track clients and tasks. So there you have it, your complete roadmap to start a home cleaning and organizing business in 2025. It's simple, it's flexible, and it delivers steady income with happy customers. Whether you are in the USA, UK, Canada, or Australia, this business has huge potential if you stay professional and consistent. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and comment below your country. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.